What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Menteri Ketenaga Pulih Putih ubak lakmen rumbui ula kentaj ban aya kenu-kenu ke jingkular syakino hikai adhong kiba penlong jing yakhi da ka boong ba ka sorkar kan bishar benia yakhi jing ai jingmut beper kiba ya dei ber ka jing terwa ban penbai renti yakhi kerdan jongki school ha ka jela hasua ban shim ya karai. Ya kenila pentip da Vice President ka Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya Fastom uba S Jungai hadin ke jinga kendu ya menteri henne ke sengi arpulai terik nailur. Uba lakmen ula khot ya keren ya kinong ya lam ka Federation hadin bakila sedang ya ke jinga ki ka jongki da ka basyong kelany mungor ha ka arpu atrik nailur bandawa kentiu kerdan ya ki school ad hoc syaki deficit. Habakren syakilar patai kubor uba jungai ula ong ba menteri ula pentip syaka kenhun ba ya karai ban kentiu kerdan ya kinong hikai ad hoc syaki deficit kan syong haka review committee bat ka jing ajing mut jongki kenhun ba per. Menteri ula pentip syangi ba ka sorkar bat ka tenat ka itu ya ka jing syakri bat ka jing no senyang jong kinong hikai ad hoc ya ka jela Henry haba pai syaka jing dawa ka jongi ka sorkar kandang bishar benia ya ki jing ajing mut bala ai da ki kenhun ba per ki seng san perthai bat ki management committee jong ki school. Hadin bala bishar benia ya kini ki jing ajing mut kin sa shim ya ka rai ka bakat du. Kani kemut baka tenat mentah kadang kemi ya ka kamban penduna ya ka jingdon bun ki kerdan jong ki school uloong. Pentip ru bana kaliang menteri ula kentaj ban aya kanu ke jingkular. Laka sorkar kan menjur ne ban kentiu kerdan ya ki school ad hoc syaki deficit. Namar kani kan syong haka review committee bat ki jing ai jingmut da ki kenhun beper. Haba keli uba jungai ulaong baka fastom ka yang scam hakanong rim jong ka jingdawa ban kentiu kerdan deficit lani la kumno ru ka deficit pattern ka ba kentup ya ka basic pay bat ka dearness allowance DA. Nalor kata ula penpau ru balada ka sorkar ka kular ya ka pay scale kumju ya ka tarik batikna ban pentri kam ya ka ki la ban shim ya ka kum ka sinjam ka babyang. Lada ka sorkar ka laban kular yang iba nadu kanu katarik lani ka shitarik kelalingkot kin penyo yang ya ka pay scale ngin jen dala kemen watang ya ka neru ulaong. Uni uno yalam ka fastom ula pun pauru ba menteri rang ba ubabat ru ya ka platingka udon kamban shim ya ka rai halor kani ka kam namar kam di setia tang kamat jong ka tenat pulih putih. Halor kane ke jing ajing mut na ke jing yalang uba jungai ulaong baka fastom kan yamir jing mut bat ki dukhot jongka hamalki bat harilum garo ban rai halor ki sinjam ki bakin shim nang ne syakmat. Kan syong hakarai jong ki babun balang ki parano hikai langin pensangi no nengin penyak syakmat ya ke jing yakhi ula benram.
In the morning when the commissioners Secretary came to meet us, so he made a call to the education minister and the minister invited us for a talk. So we came here. So what happened when we came here, the first thing that the education minister stated is that the government and the department, they stated that yes, we recognize your service, your contribution to the state for the kids. But as of now, coming to our demand, which means that the government will still study and review the suggestions and the views given by the different associations here in the state, the views and suggestions given by the political party and even by some of the school management committee. And then after they review those suggestions, then they will come to a conclusion, which means that the department at present, they are working to reduce the number of the categories of school. That was what the education minister stated. So coming to our demand, the education minister, he said that I cannot give you the assurance now whether we will upgrade you or not. it depends on the review committee to be studied by the department and also the meeting with the different stakeholders of the state. So regarding our agitation, we will go to our teachers who are at Malki. We will let them know about the response of the education minister, and then we will also contact our friends in Garo Hills. Then we will leave the decision to the majority of the teachers. Because in Faston, all teachers, they are leaders. We are just the frontline leaders. So the decision will be theirs. Whatever decision given by the majority of the teachers, we will stick with that. You see, as of now, the Federation is sticking to its main demand, that is upgradation to the deficit system. If not to the deficit system, at least the deficit pattern, that is the basic pay and DA. If the government can assure the ad hoc teachers that with effect from which date, or we can say with effect from the 1st January also, that they will provide us with a pay scale, so we will be happy with that also.
So no assurance?
No assurance, because it will be reviewed in that different meetings of the stakeholders. So we will not know what will be the outcome of that meeting, because we have got different association, categories of association. We will not know their stand, whether they will agree with what the government proposes or what they will do also. No, discussion, it is good to have discussion. No, it is through discussion also that we can solve the grievances and the problems. So which means the government, the department now, they are studying our demand. So, but till date, they are yet to take any decision. It is not only the matter of the education department, because we also need, we can say here, the chief minister, being the finance minister, to take a decision on this matter also. No, it depends on the decision of the majority of the teachers. Whatever message we get from the education minister, we will take this to the majority of the teachers. Let them take the decision.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.